Yo, what is up guys, it's Rate and Review over here, and in today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the boat Bassheads 102. So if you talk about the packaging overview, you have the boat logo, you have the Bassheads 102, you can see over here it's written magnetic earbuds and the boat logo, and at the back you get an overview of the earbuds. You get some features, specifications such as immersive audio, 8mm drives, hands-free communication, integrated multifunction controls, and passive noise cancellation. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but the MRP given over here is 1290, but I got this from Amazon for just 399 rupees. So I'll leave the link in the description. If you like it, you can check it out. And let's unbox it. The packaging is quite good for a product this cheap. Okay, so when you remove it, you get... Okay, so if you look at the package contents, you have the main earphones. You have this... Okay, you have this brochure that you can open up of all the products that boat sells. We'll keep that aside. Just fold it up, yeah. And we have the pair of extra earbuds. You get 2 pairs. And below that we have the boat 1-year warranty card. And except that, you get the main earphones. Let's remove it. Yeah, so I'll keep the box away. And here you can see, here are the earphones. There's the boat branding on the earphones. And the good thing is they've even given this little strap to store your earphones, so it stays tangle free. And these earbuds are magnetic, as we saw on the cover, so they'll stick. Yeah, they stick together. So that's pretty good for something this cheap, just for $3.99. And if you're lucky, you can even get it for around $2.99 on Flipkart or somewhere else. But I will leave the Amazon link in the description below. You can see there's the boat logo over here, and here's the microphone. There is a microphone over here and a button, so you can press this to pick up calls, pause videos on YouTube or something. Another boat tag, and you can see the slanting L-shaped audio jack, and this is gold plated, of 3.55 millimeters. So yeah, overall the silicone is very good. It's like nice and not very cheap. This part is plastic, let me tell you, but when it sticks pretty good. It doesn't have very strong magnets, I would say. It has like the basic magnet, but it sticks pretty nice. So that's something very good for a product this cheap. And yeah, that was the review video. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.